afternoon. I was wondering if it's possible to upgrade my room.
Good afternoon, miss. Let me check our availability for you. May I know your room number?
Room number 215.
Thank you. It looks like we have a suite available. It's more spacious and come with spare living area. Would you be interested in that?
That sounds good. What's the price difference?
This suite is an additional $50 per night. It also includes complimentary access to our exclusive lounge and let's check our option.
It's worth it. Can I also request for a special moment? I'm celebrating my anniversary.
Congratulations! We'll be delighted to help make your stay special. We can arrange chocolates and flower arrangement in your room. Would you like us to set that up?
Yes, please. That would be wonderful. How much it costs?
The anniversary package is $80, which includes everything I mentioned.
Perfect. Let's go ahead with the upgrade and the anniversary package.
I'll take care of the right away. Is there anything else I can assist with? Perhaps a dinner reservation at our restaurant.
That's a great idea. Do you have availability at 8 p.m.?
Yes, we have a table available at that time. I'll make the reservation for you.
Thank you so much for your help. You've made this really easy.
It's my pleasure, miss. Enjoy your anniversary celebration and please let us know if you need anything else during your stay.